In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a WhatsApp message without saving a contact. You probably want to send a message to someone on WhatsApp, but the problem is you don't want to save this person's contact. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. If you are an Android user or iOS user, navigate to your App Store or Play Store and make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. After that, on your WhatsApp interface, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see this message icon and tap on it. You land on an interface like this with a bunch of contacts. Make sure to select on this one, the one with the inscription message yourself, and tap on it. Then on this interface you can type out the contact that you want to send this message to. So let's continue to tap on this contact. After that, proceed to tap on send. So now if I want to send a WhatsApp message to this contact, all I have to do is to tap on the contact. Then I have the option to chat with that contact on WhatsApp. So all I have to do is to tap on it, and that's it. You have successfully sent a WhatsApp message without saving a contact on WhatsApp. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.